Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to split screen on PlayStation 5 Fortnite. Let's go. Restart Fortnite. Turn on the second controller. Choose Profile. Login, hold, sign in manually. Login to your second PSN and Epic Games account. That's it. Now you know how to split screen on PlayStation 5 Fortnite. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.